This 5-minute solution will show you how to change profile picture on Monopoly Go. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to change your profile picture, and the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. Go ahead and launch the Monopoly Go app. Tap on this menu icon. Tap on your profile photo, and here you will get bunch of different profile pictures. You can select any of them. And if you want to use a custom profile picture, then you have to connect your Facebook account here. To connect your Facebook account, tap on this menu icon. Tap on settings. Tap on connect account. And here you have to tap on Facebook to connect your Facebook account. And once you connected your Facebook account profile picture will be saved here. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.